everyone, my name is Brianna and welcome to my channel. And I will be unboxing this Harry Potter Hogwarts Holiday Countdown from Profusion Cosmetics, and it's their 12-day advent calendar. The box is really cool and pretty. Sparkly gold, I like that. I purchased this from Walmart. It was about $19. I saw it on someone's TikTok last night and I didn't even watch the whole video. I just saw a little bit of it and I was like, oh, I need this. So this morning at 7 a.m. I ordered it and it came by 1 p.m. Now I am a Walmart Plus member and that included free shipping, and I had Walmart Cash, so this was free for me, you know, girl math. If you don't know, I am a huge Harry Potter fan. Look at my shirt, look at my golden snitch earrings. I have gone to Universal because of the Harry Potter world. I have gone to Harry Potter plays. I watch the Harry Potter movies in order at least once a year. I have a Harry Potter purse. This is my Harry Potter Deathly Hallows purse. I have a little Harry Potter toy. This is my little Harry Potter guide that I keep in my office. Okay, but enough about that. Let's open this calendar. So on the back of the box it says, celebrate the season with a touch of magic. The Hogwarts Holiday Countdown is your enchanted journey through 12 days of surprises, spells, and holiday cheer. From charming trinkets to wizarding world wonders, each day brings a new delight straight from the halls of Hogwarts, perfect for witches, wizards, and muggles alike. And it also says travel friendly, made with recyclable material, made with skin loving ingredients, talc and paraben free, vegan, and cruelty free. Interesting. I love how the gold hits the light and like reflects off everything. So let's open up. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Number one, I want to try to carefully open this because I want to keep the box, have it like set up around my house. This is the first item. Oh, how pretty. It's the Hogsmeade Light 3 shade palette. I like it. I don't really wear eyeshadow, but it's pretty. I like the little pattern they got going on. Let's put the 3 shades on my hand. 1, 2, 3. They're pretty. Number 2, and it has a snake on it. Is it me? Why am I having so much trouble opening these? What is that? Oh! It's a beauty blender. Look at that. Deathly Hallows Harry Potter beauty blender. Now, I will definitely be using this. I do have a bunch of beauty blenders. I wonder if this would like start peeling off though, but it's so cute. It's like a, I don't know, like a dark navy color. I also have Deathly Hallow earrings. Okay, let's do number 3. And it looks like it's a wand on there. Hopefully this one will be easy to open. Oh, yeah, it was easier. Oh, it's a little Harry Potter mascara with his glasses and his scar on it. Harry Potter mascara glasses. And on the bottom of it, it says Spellbound Lashes. That's cute. It looks like that. I like this. I don't know if I use it or like just save it, but it's super cute. Number 4, and it has a star on it. Oh, 9 3/4. Platform 9 3/4. What is it? Liquid Lumos Jelly Highlighter. Ah! How cute is this? I've never used anything like this. It's like silver sparkles. It's just so cute. Number 5, H for Hogwarts. Look at that. Oh, it's pretty. It's the Hogwarts Radiance Pressed Highlighter. Look at that. Yeah, I don't even wear highlighter, but I'll try it. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. I'm just gonna put some on my finger. Looks like that. Number 6. It looks like it's the school. Hogwarts School. Oh, it's a little brush. It's a little Harry Potter brush. It's cute. I don't have a brush this small or little. All right, now we're gonna do number 7. We're over halfway done now. What is it? It's a Harry Potter Phoenix Shadow Stick. So it's like a light brown beigeish color. Ooh, that went on really smooth. Yeah, you twist the bottom up and down to make it move. Number 8, which is the Golden Snitch. Ooh. Looks like it's lip gloss. this is Nourishing Lip Oil in the color Merry Muggle. Ah, that is so funny. I like that. It looks really pretty too. I'm gonna try it on. It kind of looks like a berry color. It feels good. The color is also like not too much. I like it. It's a little squeaky though. Day 9. What is this? So it looks like an eyelash curler. It's a nice shade of blue. I don't really use eyelash curlers though. It's a nice travel size. Number 10. Oh, this one opened easy. This is their Yule Ball Bouncy Blush. It kind of looks like a lip color. I like it though. I don't really wear blush though. Let's see what it looks like on my hand. Oh, really soft. Like a nice deep berry red. Number 11. That's a keychain. That's cute. That's a Hogwarts keychain. Alright guys, we're on the last one. Number 12. These are Hogwarts House Champions temporary tattoos. You know, that's very interesting. And I am Gryffindor. I don't think I said that yet. What about you? Which house are you? I am thinking about going to Universal again. When I do go, I'm gonna wear one of these. Probably wear like the Harry Potter one and the Gryffindor one. But just because I'm Team Gryffindor doesn't mean that I won't wear like Slytherin stuff if it's cute. So yeah, I think this is a really cute and fun deal for $19, especially if you love Harry Potter. So let me know what your favorite item was. I think this one was my favorite. The mascara is just so cute and little, and it has the glasses on there and stuff. I really like how this looks, like how this is packaged though, even though I don't even wear eyeshadow. So this is my second favorite. My third favorite would be this, because I want to wear this and I just love trying new lip glosses, new lip oils, lip balms. Then it would probably be the keychain, because I'm definitely going to put this on my purse. Also, I'm going to use this one for sure. I have a bunch of beauty blenders. But yeah, do you think it was a good value for $20? I mean, for $19? I absolutely think it was, especially if you're a big Harry Potter fan. Just like the theme and the designs make it worth $20 for me, because it has like the Harry Potter stuff on there. It's just so cute. I like it. I really like it. This was like the first advent calendar I saw where I was like, I'm gonna get this. It's just really cute, and I'm gonna put this box somewhere. I'm not gonna throw it away. Probably when the season is over. Now, I did wish they had like a pink Harry Potter advent calendar. Like, I love pink. Let me know what you thought of the advent calendar and if you'd buy it. Also, let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Don't forget to check out the many links I have in my description. I have my LTK, my Amazon storefront, Venable, Pinterest, Instagram, Snapchat, and more. I also have my couples YouTube channel with my husband if you want to check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.